Hello everyone, from other side. So today we will do multiplication of two digits number with another method, with method 2. In the first method we will done the multiplication of two digits number like this, where you will find the sum of unit digits is 10 and the digits at the tens place are same. So this is my method 1. So today we will do method 2. In method 2 what we are having the reverse, you can say the order. Here we will find the sum of digits at tens place. Their sum is 10 and the digits at unit place, they are same. Okay, so this is the another method. Today we will discuss this, how we will do that. So let's start. Let me take some another example also. Here the sum of digits are same, 10, and the unit place the digits are same. The unit place digits are same and at the tens place you will find the sum of the digits as 10. So how to do that now? Simply you have to multiply these two digits. 6 into 6, 36. And now how to do that? 6 into 4. Firstly you have to do the multiplication. 6 into 4 is 24. And then you have to do the addition of a single digit from the unit place. Okay, so this is my answer. 24 plus 6, 30, and this will be the answer. Let's try here. 5 into 5 is 25. How to deal these two digits? आपने क्या करना है? 7 into 3, 21, and plus take one digit from the unit place. 21 plus 5 is 26. So this will be my answer. Let's try this number. 4 into 4, 16, and then 8 into 2, 16, and 16 plus 4, 20. So this will be my answer. Let's try some another numbers. So we are doing method 2, in which we are having the digits at unit place are same and the digits at tens place make the sum 10. ये देखो यहाँ पर sum 10 बन रहा है और यहाँ पर ये digit same है. So 6 into 6, 36. 5 into 5, 25. 25 plus 6, 31. So this will be my answer. Again let me take another number. 94 and 14. Okay, so 4 into 4, 16. 9 into 1, 9, and plus 4, 13. So you have, this will be my answer. So you have to do like this. Let me take another number. 9 into 2 and 1 into 2 now. Now see this one. 2 into 2, 4. So instead of writing single 4, you have to make a pair of two digits here. You have to write two digits here. So I am just adding 1 0 over here to make it a two digit number. Okay, and then again 9 into 1, 9, and plus 2, 11. So this will be my answer. You can just try. आप ट्राई कर सकते हैं जैसे आप नॉर्मली एडिशन करते हैं. So see, this will be my answer. So this is same. So instead of doing in 3 steps, we are doing it in a single step. Let's take another example. The digits at tens place will make a sum of 10 and the unit place digits are same. So 5 into 5, 7, 3, 21, and 5, 26. 8, 6, 36. 8 2s are 16 and 16 plus 6, 22. Again 8, 1, 2, 1. 1 into 1, 1. Now here I have to make a two digit. So I have added a 0 over here. 8 2s are 16 and 16 plus 1, 17. This will be my answer. So in this way you can take any two digit number where the method is unit place पे जो digits होंगे they are same और tens place पे जो digits होंगे they are making a sum of 10. Okay, this is trick number 2. So how to do that? 7 into 7 again 49. 7 into 3 21 and 21 plus 7 28. So this will be my answer. Okay, now one more. We have done two methods till now. Method number 1. In method 1 we have done the digits at unit place is same. They are making a sum of 10 at unit place and the digits at tens place are same. Okay, ये दोनों ही same हो गए because we have taken 5. So let's do that. 5 into 5 25. This is my method 1. How we have done this? Okay, and 4 में आपने एक ऐड करना है. 4 plus 1 5 and 5 into 4 is 20. This is the method 1. Let me take another example. No need to get confused. The digits at unit place are making a sum of 10 and the digits at tens place are same. This is my trick number 1. So 6 into 4 24. And how we done that? 5 plus 1 6 and 6 into 5 30. This is method 1. And in method 2 what we have done? Digits at tens place are making a sum of 10 and unit place digits are same. Okay, this is the method 2 which we have done in this video. Simply 6 into 6 36 and 7 into 3 21 plus 6 27. So these are the two methods which we have done and here इन्हीं दोनों मेथड से हमारी एक और ट्रिक निकलती है, दैट इज हाउ टू मल्टीप्लाई अ नंबर एंडिंग विद 5 और हाउ टू फाइंड द स्क्वायर ऑफ अ नंबर एंडिंग विद 5. 2 digit number ending with 5, how to find out the square? If you will see, this is the method number 1 which we have done in the previous video. Okay, this is my method 1 where the sum of the digits at unit place is 10 and the tens place digits are same. Okay, this is my method 1. So let's do all the sums fast, quickly. 5 into 5 25 and 2 plus 1 3, 3 into 2 6. This is my answer. 35. 5 into 5 25. 3 plus 1 4. 4 into 3 12. This is my answer. Again 5 into 5 25. 4 plus 1 5 and 5 into 4 20. Answer. 5 into 5 25. 5 plus 1 6. 6 into 5 30. This will be my answer. So this is the method 1 where the sum of the digits at unit place is 10 and the digits on the tens place are same. So from this method we can find out the squares of the numbers ending with 5. You can take it to the 3 digits also. 5 into 5 25, 6 plus 1 7 and 7 into 6 42. 5 into 5 25, 7 plus 1 8, 8 sevens are 56. 25, 8 nines are 72. You can directly do that. Now see, you can just continue this method for the 3 digits also if you know the multiplication. Now see the square of 105. So 5 into 5 again 25. 10 plus 1 11. 10 plus 1 sorry. 10 plus 1 11 and 11 into 10 is 110. So if you can do it, so you can find easily. Otherwise you can just continue it with the 2 digit number. 5 into 5 25 and now 11 plus 1 12. So you know how to multiply a number with 11 also. So 12 1 3 2. That I have done in my first video, how to do multiply a 2 digit number with 11. So this will be my answer. So see, all the tricks and all the methods are linked together, and just keep learning, keep practicing these, how to multiply these 2 digits number. Thank you and have a nice day.